This is an unboxing of the HTP pneumatic pin nailer. It's made in Taiwan. Dual trigger for safe and accurate placement of fasteners. Lightweight design, visual nail reload indicator, rear exhaust. The rear exhaust thing is big. Comes in a case. Gives you a place where you can put a name tag on there. Wonder what I should put on there. So what it comes with an instruction manual. It's in 3 languages, so it's pretty thick. There's about 20 pages of, specs and how to clean and maintain your gun and stuff like that. It's good to read that. Comes with safety goggles that, I don't know, they're smaller than the glasses I'm wearing right now. And my glasses have, the carbonate glass in there, so they're safety protected. Comes with oil, so you oil daily or every time you use it or think about using it. In here, just put a couple of drops in there, it's going to be good. Don't want to put too much, so just a little bit. So the gun itself. Has a rear exhaust, which is nice. Has 2 tips. It comes with the gun. On the back side here, there's an Allen wrench that's really securely put onto this. And that Allen wrench is important because on the top here, on your faceplate, if there's any jammed or if this jams or anything like that, you need to take this faceplate out. And it doesn't have the automatic faceplates that you see on other type of guns, like the brat nailers, stuff like that. And there's a reason for that, because jamming is easier with super thin nails if this thing is flopping around a little bit. To load it up, just go ahead and put it right in there. The nails themselves are tiny. You gotta buy these separately. They're indicators to tell you what side of the nail is down, because one side is flat cut and the other one has like a little bit of an angle. It's important to know that which side is up and down. It's hard to see on, tiny nails. I'm going to check to see if this thing dry fires. So to fire the gun, you need to push down the safety, and yeah, it does dry fire. So that's, I guess, a bad thing. So if there's no nails in there, it will still fire. Now notice that there's no safety like other types of guns, like a brat nailer or anything like that. Because again, if anything on here starts moving around, it's probably not a good idea to put your finger there. I know there's no nails, but don't put your finger anywhere near this area. But the safety is a good idea to keep on there, because it will fire, like I said. But it only fires once. See? So it's a good thing for that as well. So you shouldn't have a double tap or whatever. So just put some nails in here. These nails are indicated. I'm going to push them all the way down, all the way in, and then, all right, so this is a piece of cedar, and this is what you're going to get. The nail goes all the way through, and the nail size is very, very minimal. So that's the hole on the top compared to my finger. There's a nail at the bottom. Does a really, really good job. And it's pretty fast because it's pneumatic, and pneumatic guns are always going to have the air pressure to it. This doesn't take all that much air. Man, this is such a small hole. Such a small hole. This is going to improve a lot of the stuff that I need it for. These Grec nails are just unreal. I mean, seriously. I am pulling on this with a lot of force. Ugh. Wow. Wow. Not saying this is structural or anything like that, but wow. That was pretty insane. I wish that this had like a dry fire system thing. You can see the nails through the top here. So it's always good to check to make sure there's no nails that are gone, because these are tiny nails. Thank you for watching. On my next video, I will be unboxing this nailer right here, which is basically just a little upgrade from the nailer you just watched right now. I'll go over the features that it has and tell you which one I ended up keeping. Get excited.